Alright folks and ladies, so there's lovely green crap all over everything. It just exploded. Cyanobacteria. So I am going to have to literally strip this down, scrub it, 90+% water change. All plants have to get a bleach bath and hope it cures it. And I'll add more substrate as well, because this exploded fast, and it's because of this nonsense over here. Those are the water lilies I bought. Didn't grow, but they caused this instead. So, needless to say, those are being thrown out. Scrubbing everything down, and hopefully I can save everything. Not just most, I want to save everything. We'll see what happens though. But what fun, what fun. Yep, so right now I'm going to take a shower so I can wake up, focus, and get started. Yeehaw, wish me luck. There you go.